Alright, so as our module is titled MLA and Other Logistics, then of course we'll be covering precisely what it implies this week. So, the first one, let's actually look at MLA structure itself. Let's just begin with the setup. I mean, this is 101 stuff, but just a little refresher. Name, teacher's name, assignment, date, and of course you never put your own essay's title in quotation marks, because the whole point of quotation marks is to cite work that's not your own, right? And since the title is yours, then there's really no need. And also notice the last name next to the page number. Always indent, guys. Don't forget that. I can't stress that enough. So here's another example of a format. Let's see. Same thing. Just another one. So just to recap, all we did was click MLA resources, which is in your module this week. All right. So I'm going to show you the manual way of setting it up on Word, and another cool life hack. Life hacks are great. So let's set up a new Word document. I'm going to show you how to do it manually. So make sure that your font is always either Times New Roman or Arial. We don't want wingdings. That was a funny one. Look at how wingdings look. There's no way that I can understand this. Okay, so we don't want wingdings. We want, even though it's fun, we want either Times New Roman or Arial. 12 fonts. Okay, notice the font is 12. Make sure that the layout margins are set at 1 inch. All right, so let's see. Let's start with my name, and this is pretty. Let's make it double spaced. So this is where you go, double space. Okay. This is pretty meta because I'm a student in my own class. David Godoy, and the instructor's Mr. Godoy. Okay. So, all right, February 25, 2019. Let's call it Essay 1. Let's just pretend. And let's call it the best essay. Oops, the best essay. Oh no, something happened. The best essay in the world. That's the name of my paper here. Always hit tab. Begin typing. So we're forgetting one thing, right? And that's the page number. So if you want to do it manually, go to Insert, and you go to Page Number. Let's go ahead and find that. Let's see, picture, shape. There we go. For some reason, I was having trouble finding it there. Okay, so top of page, right. Okay. So you actually click the page number, and you just write your last name, because this is a text box. And all your subsequent pages will be numbered. See? It'll say the same, because it's a header, right? All right, my friends, here comes the light hack. Drum roll. Let's go to the life hack. So let's say we go to Word. Let's go to a new Word. And, oh, my apologies there. We don't want it that way. Let's actually close Word altogether. Let's get a fresh start. Now let's close it. There we go. All right. So, believe it or not, let's close this to have a little bit more really visibility. Less cluttered. Less clutter is always better. So there are templates in Word. Let's say even if you're working on a resume for a job, there's all these resume designs. And Word makes it quite easy for us. Now, surprise, surprise, let me show you something else that's cool. We go to Word, and surprise, surprise, MLA is its own template. There you go. So if we click this one, it's already set up for you. Look at this life hack. It's a name, instructor name, just fill it in, right? in case you forget, let's make it meta again. Let's just call it English 1. This is 101. February 25th. And like it's up to you if you want to actually write the name of the assignment itself. I'm not so much a stickler on that. But let's just do it. Let's see, essay 1. Oh, this is a lot. Maybe instead of the class, let's just say the actual assignment name. There we go. So again, let's call it the best essay in the world. Last name, go ahead and write your last name. All right, and if you'll notice, it's already in Times New Roman, and it's in 12 font. It does it automatically for you. If you go to layout, it's already in 1-inch margins all around. And so there you go, life hack.